What's up, everyone? This is Wayne here. Today we'll do a talking video on the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. I really hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2026 Maui season because, well, I want to use this thing this year as you see because you know it's better this machine. Well, because this thing might get used almost like twice the whole week. You see, there's a whole season you see, and this thing doesn't get used a lot of times. Like, you know, it's better than fishing, you see, because you can't use it in the rain, because that's not allowed. You can't get cut yourself, because you see, you had to wear safety glasses, which I don't know why you had to wear safety glasses, but it's against the rules, you can see. You always have to take value when you're not using it, because you know it's better than fishing, tell. This is a 2022 model, so you can see, it came out, but I got this in 2023, you see, because, you know, I said that this machine can use home scrub pretending, you see, it's definitely better than this machine. All the tools you can see you have to store indoors. You can't leave it outside like the gas cap ones you can see, which is it's not bad like thing you see. So when you know it's better this machine been used almost a couple of times you see, which is well you know it's better this machine's been used almost a couple of times. And one thing I usually use somebody sees you have to push this the button you have to push this button you can see because you can see that stuff as you can see because if you don't it won't do anything until you push this button you can see. It's got a tension changer you can see. Then you can test the chain you can see. This one has the guard like you can see, which I see a lot of people take these off, you can see, which I don't know why they do that, because the GTA 40 doesn't have that, but the GTA 30 has it, which it's like I respect this machine, it's been used almost cut done, you see, so I really hope at some point this thing will get used again this year, for 2026 movie season, we hope at some point this thing will get used again this year, as you can see, but if it doesn't, that's okay, you can see, so I really hope some of this will get used this year, because there's some stuff in the trailer, you can see, that has not been touched ever since we could use it, you see, which is we know it's better the machine's been used almost a couple of times, you see, which is, well, it's really how better the machine's been used almost a couple of times, you see, so it will get used again this year. I really hope at some point, fingers crossed, this thing will definitely be used again this year, for 2026 movie season, but I really hope some point this thing will get used again this year.